Kleenex registered trademark multifold paper towels. The Kleenex registered trademark multifold paper towels, and I must say, I am quite impressed with their performance. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I have had the chance to try out numerous paper towel brands, but the Kleenex registered trademark multifold paper towels have stood out in terms of quality and versatility. One of the key features of these paper towels is their absorbency. Whether it's spills, messes, or simply drying your hands, these towels effectively soak up liquids, leaving surfaces clean and dry. This is particularly important in high-traffic areas, such as offices, schools, or restaurants where maintaining cleanliness is essential. In addition to their absorbency, the Kleenex registered trademark multifold paper towels are also extremely soft. They provide a gentle touch, making them suitable for use on delicate surfaces or even for personal hygiene. The softness of these towels ensures that they won't scratch or damage sensitive items.